Hi children, this is Sarath from Lotus High School. In statistics chapter, we learned mean and mode. Today we are going to learn median. Median. Find the median of the following distribution. Classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequencies are also given. This is continuous frequency distribution table. This is the given sum. Classes or class intervals are given and frequencies given. Now first step we have to prepare cumulative frequency distribution table. You know very well how to prepare cumulative frequency. Just I am explaining. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. First one as it is 3. Next step 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next step 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Next step 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Next step 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Now here that is one step. The sum of the frequencies. What is the sum of the frequencies? 4 plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 6 20. 14 plus 6 20. This and this should be matching. And this is nothing but already said that the sum of the frequencies. Okay, you can take n or sigma fi. Both are no problem. Now, the first step to find the median, n by 2 is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. First step, this is the first step. Second step, find the cumulative frequency which is greater than, just greater than 10. In this cumulative frequency, just greater than 10 is nothing but 14. Is nothing but 14. Is nothing but 14. So find out the corresponding class is belongs to this CF. Find out the corresponding class belongs to this CF. This CF is 14. For this corresponding class is 30 to 40. 30 to 40. 30 to 40. This is nothing but median class. 30 to 40. The median class is 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Median class 30 to 40. Here, first I'll write the formula of median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Median is equal to the formula to find the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we have to find these what is L, what is H, what is F, what is CF. We are going to find. First you take median class. Median class is equal to 30 to 40. From that, the lower limit of the median class is nothing but L. Lower limit of the median class. Next, size of the class H. H is nothing but size of the class or width of the class. You know very well. 30 to 40 in the sense 10 or 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. L we completed, H we completed. Now n by 2 also already you know. N by 2 is equal to 10. N by 2 is equal to 10. F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. This is F. This is F. F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. L is equal to 30. N by 2 is equal to 10. H is equal to 10 and F is equal to 5. So what about CF? Just listen. CF is nothing but that CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Listen carefully. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. What is the median class? 30 to 40. Preceding class 20 to 30. Preceding class 20 to 30. What is the CF for 20 to 30? 9. This is CF. This is CF. Okay children, once again we are revising. This is class intervals, frequency, we prepared CF. After that the sum of the observations, n is equal to 20. That is also we can call it as sigma Fi. Now the first step is find out n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 10. N by 2 is equal to 10. Then you have to find the median class. How to find the median class? N by 2 is equal to 10, just greater than 10, nearest greater than 10. Just greater than 10 is CF table, that is 14. Just greater than 10 in CF table, that is 14. That corresponding class is nothing but median class. That corresponding class is nothing but median class. Median class is equal to 30 to 40. So in that only frequency, for that frequency only f, small f. So in this, L is equal to lower limit of the median class. L is equal to lower limit of the median class. Find H. H is equal to nothing but the size of the median class. 30 to 40 is nothing but 10. We know very well 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. Now already we completed. Only one more variable is there, that is CF. That CF is nothing but the CF is equal to class preceding, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Median class preceding the median class is nothing but 20 to 30. Preceding the median class is nothing but 20 to 30. For that CF is equal to 9. That CF we have to take. Don't take this CF. That CF we have to take. This is very, very important step. Somebody will take this CF. Don't take this CF. Here F is equal to 5. CF is equal to 9. L is equal to 30. H is equal to 10. N by 2 is equal to 10. Let us calculate. Now, okay, once again the median formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is nothing but lower limit of the median class. N by 2. Sum of the frequencies by 2. CF already said. F is equal to frequency of the median class. H is equal to class size. H is equal to class size. Is equal to L, substitute. L is equal to 30 plus N by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 10. N by 2 is nothing but 10. CF is equal to 9. CF is equal to 9 by F is equal to 5 into H is equal to 10. H is equal to 10 is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 1, 9 is equal to 1. 1 by 5 into 10. First of all, solve this one. Don't disturb this one. 5 table 1 time, 2 time. Anyhow, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2, 2 is equal to, this answer is 2. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Therefore, the median is equal to 32. Median is equal to 32. Okay, one more question. The table is given. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 4000 neon lamps. The table is here. Lifetime and number of lamps, the table is given. This is nothing but class intervals. These are nothing but frequencies. So 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000. This is nothing but continuous class intervals. Continuous class intervals. Continuous class intervals. Continuous class intervals. This is also called it as exclusive form. Already the previous sum also exclusive form only. So find the median lifetime of the lamp. Okay, now we prepare cumulative frequency distribution table. The first one is 14 as it is. 14 plus 56. 14 plus 56. 10, 1, 70, yes, 70. 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60, 0, 130. 130, okay. 130 plus 86. 130 plus 86. 6, 11, 216. 216. 216 plus 74. 216 plus 74. 10, 9, 2. 290. 290 plus 62. 290 plus 62. 2, 15, 3, 352. 352 plus 48. 0, 0, 4. 400. 400. Here n is equal to sigma fi is equal to, if you are adding all the sum of the frequencies, 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86 plus 74 plus 62 plus 48, definitely you'll get 400. That is nothing but n. That is nothing but n. N is equal to 400. N by 2 is equal to 200. Now the next step is find the median class. The CF just greater than 200. The CF just greater than 200 is 216. 200 is 216. The corresponding class is nothing but median class. The corresponding class is nothing but median class. Now the median class is 3000, 3500. Frequency is 86. Frequency is 86. I am writing formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is equal to, find out L. L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. L is equal to the lower limit of the median class 3000, and H is equal to 3500 minus 3000 is equal to 500. Class size or width of the class, L and H we completed. F is equal to 86. F is equal to 86. N by 2 is equal to 200. N by 2 is equal to 200. L value is 3000. N by 2 is 200. F is equal to 86. H is equal to 500. But what about CF? The CF only somewhat problematic, will get confused. Listen, CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Class preceding the median class. 3000, 3500 is the median class. Preceding class is 2500 and 3000. For that CF is 130. For that CF is 130. Therefore, this is the CF. 130 is the CF. CF is equal to 130. CF is equal to 130. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Let us substitute the values. L is equal to 300. N by 2 is equal to 200. CF is equal to 130. F is equal to 86. And H is equal to 500. Is equal to 3000 plus n by 2, 200 minus CF 130 by F 86 into H 500 into H. This is a separate part. First you simplify that one. 3000 plus 70 by 86 into 500 is equal to 3000 plus 70 into 500. 7 5s are 35. 35,000 by 86 is equal to 3000 plus 3500, sorry, 35,000 divided by 86. If you divide, you will get 406.976, 406.976. If you round off 406.98, you can take. So 3000 plus 406.98. If you add this one, 3406.98. This is median. Median is equal to 3406.98. 3406.98. Important point already we discussed in before itself, in the classroom itself. How to convert a discontinuous, that is nothing but inclusive form, to continuous, that is nothing but exclusive form. Already the two sums, what we discussed before, the two sums, the two tables are in continuous form, that is in exclusive form. Now, if already it is there in NCERT book or BK Sonu book, many sums based on this discontinuous. How to convert discontinuous to continuous? Already said before itself. Now, how to convert discontinuous to continuous? Very easy. This is not continuous. Why? Because you see 31, 35, here 35 is not there. 36, 40, like this it is there. That's how to convert. Very easy. You take in this any two class intervals. I am taking the first one. What is that? 31, 35, 36, 40. In this upper limit of the first class interval, lower limit of the second class interval, I am finding correction factor. H is equal to 36 minus 35 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. This is called as correction factor. How to convert discontinuous? This is discontinuous to continuous. Discontinuous to continuous by using the correction factor. Correction factor. So very easy. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. Very simple. 31 minus 0.5, that is nothing but 30.5. That is nothing but 30.5. 30.5. Now, here I am writing 30.5. 30.5 to next add 0.5. Add 0.5 to the 35. 0.5. 0.5. 35.5. 35.5. Next, again subtract 36 minus 0.5. That is nothing but 35.5. Here 40.5. 40.5. Next, coming to this 41 minus 0.5. That is nothing but 40.5. Next 45.5. You can do like this.
Good.
This is a continuous class interval. Continuous class intervals. If you the given sum like this in the table, the class intervals are discontinuous. Easily you can convert into continuous and do and find the median. Okay, children, we discussed two sums and I am giving some assignment from the BK Soni Lakshmi Publications textbook. test your knowledge. It is there in page number 14.47. The questions are 1, 2, 3. In the first question, 3 are there, 3 short answers, very short answers. Total, you have to do 5 questions. This is your assignment. Everybody, please do these sums and send. After that, whenever you are free, if it is possible today itself, here I am giving the remaining sums from the test your knowledge 14.5, 5 to 14. Those sums are there in page number 14.48 to 14.48 and 14.49. And I also do examples 14.28 to 14.46. Better you complete these sums, you will get good practice about mode. We completed median. 2 sums we discussed it. So do the given assignment.